Hello guys, this is fairbinaryoptions.com. It is a while since we stopped looking at the euro and the US dollar with all this saga, if you want, or story out of the ECB, with the market looking to sell every little and single spike that we had on the currency pair. I would say that trading is not that easy and simple, and as you can see here, the market or the currency pair is just building energy to pop higher. What does it mean? Well, I would say that the whole move that started from this moment of time, from these highs here, we have a chance for all this move here, from here to the downside, actually to be only a corrective move. And if you really ask me, it goes in the form of a contracting triangle, and the contracting triangle, I mean, it ends with a contracting triangle from here, and the triangle to actually go like this. So to be this to be wave A, this to be, let me take a polyline. So this to be wave A, this to be the B wave to the upside, and the C wave all the way to the downside here, then the D wave all the way to here, and then the E wave to already be completed. So the triangle to already be completed in the form of A, B, C, D, E. So this would be the moment that the triangle is completed. So if that is the case, or if that is correct, what should we look for next, and what should we do next? Well, first of all, any triangle travels within the A and C and B to D trend line, so this one should be no different. So this one should be no different. Well, if that is the case, then we should just clone this one from here too. So this to be the A, B, C, D, and the E wave to the downside, and all eyes now are going to stay on this B to D trend line if and when is going to be broken. I would say it's only a matter of time, as we are now in 36.18, and the trend line to be broken needs to be something like 36.35. So 36.35, 36.40 area or 50 area is extremely important, and that is the moment actually where I would like to buy call options. So let's mark this B to D trend line here. So this one needs to be broken, and that should be the trigger for higher values to come. That should be the trigger for the call options to come. As an expiration date, I would say that end of week expiration date will be just fine. In this case, we'll wait and see. We'll give time for consolidation. Maybe we'll give time to avoid important volatility events. Although we don't quite have such events, at least not based on the economic calendar. So let's write on the screen that based on this simple triangle, that should be a non-limiting triangle or a reversal pattern. So based on this simple triangle, if and when the B to D trend line breaks, we would like to buy call options. So let's write on the screen that looking to buy call options when price is breaking the B to D trend line, and it doesn't really matter to let's say it doesn't really makes any difference if this break is going to be for real or not. I mean, even one piercing would be enough for the market, for our call options to be triggered, because piercing that trend line should not happening if the E wave is still in place. So a piercing means that the E wave is completed, and therefore we should just go and take care of our longs there. So let's write on the screen the scenario. Looking to buy call options when price is breaking the B to D trend line. As a value, this would mean something like 1.3640 area, 3650 area. So all eyes at what the market is going to do. In terms of fundamentals, we had the IFOs in Germany today, but summer conditions are here, summer trading is here, and we only travel today for something like 30 pips tops to bottoms, which is quite a low volatility level. It remains to be seen if the market is going to break today or not, but if it is, we're going to be there buying call options. Thank you very much for being here. FairBinaryOptions.com. We just recommended call options on the euro dollar on the break of the B2D trend line. Bye bye.